Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the exclusive fall chest in Crow Garden 2 Fall Harvest Update. So, in this fall Harvest Update, there is a brand new limited time chest that contains several exclusive rewards, including some cool limited pets with special abilities. However, the rewards that you receive in this chest completely random and each item has a different drop chance. Some rewards are easier to get, while the rarest ones have a much lower chance of dropping, so you will definitely need some luck and many chests on here. And to get this exclusive full chest, just simply check on this um, limited time shops. Just tap on this red card, and then in here you can see the exclusive full chest like this. And yeah, this chest can only buy with the Robux, so yeah, it's not free. Unfortunately, it's not free. And in here you can see it. You can get the legendary fall seed packs, and then fall common egg, red panda, and kitsune. And in here, the highest rarity, the items that difficult to get is this kitsune. And in here, sorry, I can try to opening one for this video because I have already run out of Robux, so I can't buy this exclusive fall chest. So, but that's basically everything you need to know about this exclusive fall chest and its limited rewards. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.